The following content has been provided by RWTH Aachen University.
So, to sum up what we've did today, well, the first point is sort of obvious, right? Doesn't have to be explained. But HCI in general, deals not just with the humans and computers, but also how do I design correctly that it is being able to be used in a good way by a person, and also in what context will it be used? So, well, do I have to make it very simple because it's in a stressful situation or something? And we'll be focusing mostly a lot here on the human and the design process in this class. Then we've talked a little bit about the CMN model, which is a rough model that allows you to estimate, well, how long does a person need to work something out and react to something. The example was clicking the button when the light comes on. And basically estimate it there. And then Fitts' law that we've shown estimates how long does it take to reach a target. So if I have to press a button, how long does it take me roughly to get there and click it? So the first reading assignment that you have is to read the chapter "The Human" of Human-Computer Interaction by DIS, and start reading The Design of Everyday Things, which is this book, which is the required reading for this class. I think there are some in the library, but if you're generally interested in HCI and want to take part in this class, get this book because, well, it's also very entertaining to read. There are more examples of badly designed doors, so where people get lost while going through a set of doors. It covers a lot of the content that we're presenting here, and so this is the required reading we have. The chapter for the human is uploaded in the L2P, and the way, since now none of you has access there, I will add everyone later today, so you can have access there, and tomorrow have access to the assignment and can hand in the assignment the following week. And then once the registration is complete and it is determined, well, who has a seat in this class, then you have permanent access there. What is then your task also for the next week? Decide whether you want to take DIS1 or not. When you look at the other lectures that you want to take, and if you decide, well, this is too much work, doesn't fit in my schedule this year, I would ask you please deregister in the campus, because then there's more space for the other people, and would be very sad if, well, you decide after next week, oh, I don't want to do this, and then someone else who wanted to do this doesn't get a seat. The first lab is tomorrow at 8:30 in this room, so you have already found that, 50% done. And the next lecture is, same day, date, time next week. Hope to see you all there, and good luck. Bye.
This content was provided by RWTH Aachen University.